everybody, this is, well, Joe in a moment. Pete is out from Villa Hylas, and today it's gonna be D-Day. Dum 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 dum. We're very excited because today they're coming from the garden center. They're gonna install, well, plant 10 trees, 4 olive trees, eatable ones, and 4 they're called Manaki, and 4 Koroneiki. Those are olives to press, and they're gonna get them from Ermioni and from Furni. They take them out, they cut them, and then they're off to us to plant them in our space that we, well, been busy for 3 days with some weed killer. This is the last part of weed that I have to do today. In between, we're renovating the small kitchen from our breakfast kitchen. So I'm going to be painting the doors there. But first I'm going to show you how it is before everything. We planted poles everywhere. This is going to be a Manaki. And as you can see, we have some more poles up here, all lined up. We marked a 6x6 area to have a fire pit, because now it's a big mess when we have to lit some rubbish. We do it over here, but it's not really nice when you enter as a guest via this gate, the parking lot, to see all this rubbish. So we're gonna do it in the back. And meanwhile, it's a nice 15 degrees over here, and the guys just came up with all the trucks over that road. Everything went fine, nothing is damaged, which I'm really glad about. For now, they have put some soils. We see some lost olive trees over there, ready to get into the soil. And there they're starting to get everything done. Our favorite one, that Manaki tree just behind me, that one. It's over 100 years old, and he said it doesn't look that big because it grows very slowly in an area of Funi that is a microclimate. Well, how are we going?
Yeah, fine. It's something like an rebirthing from this part of land. It's amazing. The trees are beautiful.
So far I'm pretty pleased. Our ancient tree, they're doing a nice job. Seems like they know what they're doing. These trees are all nicely lined up. So we're pretty pleased with that. All watered, fresh soil in it. Well, the day is nearly done, and I'm absolutely knackered, giving all instructions if the trees were straight in one line, catering, watering the plants, running up and down, but not as hard as those guys worked, of course. But the result is fantastic. I'll show you around what it became. This is the Manaki, one of the olives that you can eat. And here we have 4 in a row. We have the Koroneiki olives. Those are for pressing. And then we have up here 3 in a line, the Manaki. And those are the olives that you can eat. At the back, one of the, middle last tree is a mulberry, a black mulberry. Behind that, it's a pomegranate. And on this side, well, I walked towards it because you can hardly see it. Still 1 piece of wheat to go. It's a horrible job, but well, somebody's got to do it. He's still making the fire pit. So when we have rubbish or, rubbish from the garden, we can put it in there. And I guess we'll hardly see when we lit the fire. This is our white muria. It's a bit exceptional, but the food is absolutely lovely. We watered it well, and hopefully it will give fruits this year, but we'll see about that. This is a red pepper tree, and what I didn't know, it was related to a mango tree. I don't know why. It's not, red pepper is not really the one that you can crush and put in your pepper mill. It's more like in whole, put it in sauces and everything. And that's a mulberry without fruit.
Good morning.
Good morning. Well, we're 5 days later now, and we just watered the plants. And as we understood correctly, because it's always a bit difficult, but we think they'll be back in a month.
They say.
They say. And then they're gonna level the ground, because the water basins around the trunk of the trees, well, it has to be straightened out, a little landscaped a bit out, because this is not really what we would like to have.
No, ja.
But so far, we're very pleased with Dimarakis Garden Center. They did an excellent job. We can't say anything else, can we?
No, it's...
Nice people, very helpful. We got good instructions so far. And we'll hope the trees will be, well, growing and give fruit and be stunning.
Yeah.
On our parking lot.
And maybe in a new episode.
Look at the old tree. Still a shot of the old tree. Yes, I love the old tree.
Now, and maybe in an other episode we show when it's really finished. But then
we'll do a part 2. Perhaps
yes.
To check out if we have some fruits on the trees.
Yes, that's nice.
We'll
that you make jam or that we make oil.
Yes. So we'll see later on. For now, have a nice day. Thank you for watching.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Happy with the trees, but we need some landscaping to be done.
Yes. So maybe you can see it. This is the result. Wat is er nou weer? Waarom lach je me nou weer uit? Jezus. Ik ben toch serieus? Man. Eh?
So, this is the result after 5 days.
Hallo. Ik begon toch, of niet?
Oh, begin jij? Oké.
Okay. Nee, jij zei dat. Jij begint.
Begin maar.
Ja.
Perfect watering of the trees today. Yeah, we'll make some progress over here.
Wat is er nou? Je zit me gewoon uit te lachen, monster.
Was je zover?
Nee, maar... Wat is er nou? En dan kunnen we zo...
Sorry, what were you saying?
This is always a dream of mine.
Oh, great.